This evening I'll be planting some Black Beauty eggplant. You want 1000% natural fertilizer like this one. You want to avoid feeding your plants chemicals or putting chemicals in your soil, in your ground at all costs. First you free these roots. See how that's all root bound? See how that's root bound? All the roots are wrapping around. You want to get some of these roots going down or coming off. So you just loosen these roots. See how I got those free? I freed those roots. So now they won't continue to grow in a circle and just keep wrapping around until it suffocates the plant or chokes itself out. So when you plant a plant and the roots are all root bound like that and it grows real slow, that's why. Or it barely grows at all, it's because it's root bound.